Thank you for joining me on part 2 of Christmas tree watch decorations, and I'm going to have more in part 3. We'll be doing more different types of Christmas trees, and this time we'll use buttons or keys or just to make it really festive. So we want to thank you for joining my channel. Want you like and subscribe and follow me. I'll have more to show and share with you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda, I'm 73, and I'm a baby boomer. And so today I'm going to be showing you what I do to be able to glue these watches onto this gold filigree bordered mirror or vanity mirror that goes on a vanity table. We have repurposed it to be able to be a decorative Christmas tree that will be able to be displayed throughout the home during the Christmas season. It also has an easel type of kickstand on the back of the mirror, and so it can be set on a flat surface or a table, or even a centerpiece for Christmas dinner. So if you want to watch as I go ahead and I'm using just a hot gun glue with the glue sticks. You can you can get these glue sticks. They come in packages of 100. And the glue guns come in all different sizes. I have a few here that I could show you that I've used over the years. And each year I try to get something a little bit more accommodating. This particular glue gun has a little metal kickstand. Now this is a hot item, so it does get very hot, so you need to be mindful of temperatures. Junk jewelry, some of the jewelry does have sentimental value, but some of it doesn't. And I'm going to show you what I do with watches to be able to, and watch bands, to be able to make a decorative Christmas design and decoration. And I start by first putting my first layer of glue on the outline that I've made. I put my pattern on the other day, so if you missed out on that, that's part 1 of how to make junk jewelry out of Christmas trees. So this hot gun glue is going to be able to make sure that these items stick to the glass. So I'm going to go ahead and reload my glue gun. It sort of ran out of glue right. Hi again. We finished the tree, and oh, you can see there's so much more things that we can do together as you watch my channel.